How to log into your Wolt account after forgetting your password. Here, the very first thing that you actually need to do is simply get into the Wolt application that you can get on your App Store or Google Play, or you can simply get into your wolt.com just like this and get into the web version. And then from here you can simply tap on sign in button on the top right, or if you're on the application you can get the sign in button on the very beginning and you'll be able to get into the sign in page like this. So once you do that, here you can either continue with your Google ID, or you can continue with your Apple ID, or with your Facebook ID. But if you have created your account manually, you can tap on the option enter your email address, add in your email address. Then when you tap on done and continue with it, you'll actually be able to add in the password of your account, right? So if you have forgotten your password, there you'll actually be able to get that forgot password option on the bottom of that box. You need to tap on that one and then access your email on your device. Then when you tap on that magic link or reset link provided to sign in directly, you'll be able to sign in, or you can reset your password, and then you can come back to your login page and add in that new password, and you'll successfully be able to log into your Wolt account.